So these are the new AirPods Pro 2s, and these earbuds have one new feature, and that new feature is volume control on the stem of the AirPods themselves. Now, before, you used to have to take out your phone from your pocket and adjust volume, but as you can see with these ones on the stem, you have this section of the stem that's slightly off round shape. It's a little bit flatter, as you can see, and this area is actually touch sensitive, and you can swipe down to reduce volume and swipe up to increase volume. And of course, this only works with the earbuds in your ears. So if they're in your ears and you're playing music, now when you stroke that part, as you can see, it adjusts the volume by itself. And this works on both earbuds. So that's basically how you can adjust volume on the earbuds of your AirPods Pro 2. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.